In this video, we're going to show you an unboxing of a portable greenhouse that we purchased on Amazon. With this greenhouse, it's going to allow us to harden our seedlings so that way we can be able to put them into the ground once we do our new raised bed. And we're going to start right now. What's up, YouTube gardeners? My name is Sydney from the Naked Gardener channel. If this is your first time to this channel and timid about gardening and would like to learn about different DIY projects that you can use out into your backyard gardening, or even would like to learn about some of the recipes that we use from the vegetables from our garden, then start right now by clicking to the channel and making sure you hit the bell icon so that way you can get notified when we upload our videos weekly. Now let's get growing. After watching this video, I'm going to give you my pros and cons about this portable greenhouse that we purchased from Amazon. If you think that this could be something that you can use in your backyard garden, then I'll provide the link down below so that way you can purchase it and give your own opinions from there. This is the first time unboxing it, so let's see what's going on in here. The reason why we got this is because we are doing a lot of seeds right now, and the office space slash seeding area is overwhelmed, so we need to start cracking on this revamp of backyard gardening. So you got some racks which your seedling trays will sit on top of. I can tell already offhand I'm not too fond. It looks like kind of light gauges. They could have probably did a better gauge on that. You got some zip ties, some tarp rope, some stakes. You got tubing that's numbered separately. These are number 4s, number 2s, number 4s, number 3s, number 3s. Got some direction, that's good. Number 2s, number 2s, short list of number 1s, some connectors, and what are these? Number 5s. All right, and then we got the plastic that goes around it. Looks durable. I don't think it could rip. It's actually look like it's. Oh no, it's not 2-ply. Okay. So it's good. Now there's different varieties on these. This one is a 56 inch by 56 inch by 72 inch, and it has 2 windows on the side, so it allows air in there if inside the greenhouse it gets a little bit too hot, or you want to just allow some airflow to get in there to help harden up the plants that you can put in there. So now we're gonna take a break, take a look at these instructions and see our game plan for it, and then we'll start putting this together. All right, we took accountability for all what's in here, so now we're gonna just get it together. just finished up our portable greenhouse on a windy day. Took me roughly about 45 minutes, so it's definitely a weekend project that you can do within the hour. Very, very nice. We're going to kind of go now over the pros and cons of what I like about this portable greenhouse. I like it that it's very cheap. I like the plastic on here and everything. The design is very nice as well. It has windows on here that you can roll up, especially on a windy day like this, so that way the wind doesn't just take over your portable greenhouse. The cons I don't like about this, the piping on this. After looking and putting this together, you can definitely use maybe a 3/4 inch or inch PVC pipings and fittings like this going on there. The fabric is the main thing I do like about this. It seems very durable. Hopefully over time we can see how long it will take for it to deteriorate and weather and go from there. It could use a lot more spikes on here, so what I probably have to wind up going is to the hardware store, big box store, and buying some stakes that would help secure this down, since it is light gauge, very lightweight plastic that's on here. And these racks where your seedling trays is going to hold on is very flimsy. Not sure how much it's going to be able to weigh. I didn't see anything on the package on there. It calls for zip ties, which I can see possibly putting that on here. I'll try to later on try to figure out some type of way to kind of keep this sturdy. Might even put some plastic across here, some plexiglass or something like that across here to kind of sturdy it up a little bit. These straps, as you saw in the video, I was trying to secure it on here and it broke off real easy. These could be a lot tougher or sewn in differently, but you know, that's what you get when you buy from China products and stuff like that. I like the fact that you can roll this up and allow some airway to go in there. It's already it's about 68 degrees outside right now, and just being in here, it's already kind of feels a lot warmer out here than it is in there, out there. I think this product could also use more straps to secure the fabric to the piping here, but that's just my personal going from there. As you see, it's very windy on it. We finally get a nice warm day and it gets windy like this. I will be putting either some sandbags or something to keep rodents from going up underneath here and everything. You can put additional racks right here, but all in that, I think it's a decent product for $72 that I bought off of Amazon. Like I said, I'll link where the website and items that I got this from down below. If you find that real easy, comment down below with that seems easy or that's sugar. If that seems real easy, comment down below with let's grow together. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. And then also that way you'll be able to get notified when we're doing uploads on our videos weekly. And if you find that this was very helpful to you, let me know by the commenting down below saying that you would be willing to try something like this, or you find a product that's better than this, comment down below so that way I can take a look at it, maybe possibly doing a review on that as well. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook. We finally got our Facebook page up and going, so follow us on Facebook and on Twitter. So after watching this video, hope you can kind of get your rundown of what you would like off of a portable greenhouse. Comment down below, let me know what things you're looking for towards a portable greenhouse or a greenhouse period. And as always, let's grow together.